Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to add friends on Fortnite. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. In this video I will show you exactly how to add friends inside Fortnite or even using the Epic Games launcher if you are using the PC. Now, first thing you should do is to go to this icon right here. Just click on it, then go to this icon right here, and here you can find two categories: friend invites, which means the people that have sent you friend request or something, it will show in this partition right here. And also the recent players. Let's say that you have entered the game with a random squad and you want to add one of them, it will show in this category right here. Now, if you want to search for a player with its name, all you have to do is to write the player name in this bar right here. So I'm gonna type Ronnie, for example, then click on enter. It will search, then it will show me every person with this name or any other similar names. So now I'm gonna choose this one here, for example, left click on it, then click on add friend. And this is how you add friend inside Fortnite. Now let me show you how to add friends in Epic Games Launcher. Now, to add friends in Epic Games Launcher, actually it's very easy. All you have to do is to click on this icon right here. Then it will show you your current friends right now. Then you can choose this icon right here in order to be able to add friends. Now you can search for any name that you want. I'm gonna search for Mike, for example. It's searching, and now as you can see, it shows me some people with the same name. So I'm gonna choose this one here, for example, then click on add epic friend. And once you add epic friend, a friend request will be sent to him, then he will be able to accept it or reject it. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.